Welcome to another math video. First problem, we need to use a diagram to explain what a radian is. So the best way to do this is to make a circle. And we know that a radius is the length of the middle part to the edge. That's the radius. And technically radians are an alternative to degrees, and they measure using pi. So a full circle is 360 degrees, which is equal to 2 pi radians, and then just 1 pi radian would be 180 degrees. Yeah, and then next problem, an easy way to convert 5 pi over 6 from the radians to degrees. So 60 1/6 radians is equal to 30 degrees. So we have 30 degrees of 5, so we multiply 5 times 30, which would get you 150 radians. Yeah. The radius of a circle measures 10 centimeters. Yep. Central angle of the circle measures 80. What's the length of the arc and all that stuff. So here's the radius is 10, and 80 would just be below 90, which is straight line, so it's probably about there. To find, so first we need to find the length, the perimeter of the whole circle, which would be the circumference would equal 2 pi radius. And we know that the radius is 10, so 2 times 10, it would be 20 pi. That's the circumference. So we take 80 from 360, and then we know, and then we want it's equal. 360 would be equal to the circumference, and we need to find this guy right here. So let's just cross multiply. So we can ignore the zeros. So 8 times 20 would be 160 pi. And then 36 times x would just be 36x. And that's all over 36. So these two 36s would just cancel. And we can simplify 160 over 36 to 40 over 9. So x would be equal to 40 pi over 9. And then, so it wants us to use 3.14 for pi, so 40 times 3.14 over 9, and then we just take the calculator and multiply that. So on the calculator shows up as a really long number, but just wants us to round to the nearest whole number, so we would get 14 centimeters. On to our last questions. An angle drawn in standard position measures 315 degrees. What is the reference angle? Express your answer in degrees, yada yada. So if we know that the full circle would be 360, we can subtract 315 from 316. That'll get us 45, which is exactly halfway through right here. So that's our full angle. And the reference angle would be right here, or negative 45. Okay, and give one positive and one negative coterminal angle to 315. So we would just, instead of subtracting, we would add 315 and 360 to get 675 degrees. That's our positive, and then we already established that our negative is negative 45 degrees. Or negative, yeah. Bye.